Let me show you how to make these easy chicken fajitas. I start off getting my grill ready with some mesquite wood and charcoal. I had already debunked some chicken thighs from earlier, and I just seasoned them with this seasoning that I made. If you don't know how to season your food, you need to watch this. I'm gonna make sure it's seasoned to the T. Go ahead and cut up your onions and bell peppers into thin slices. Watch this. Snap. After prep, the charcoal should be nice and hot. Go ahead and dump them. So I had just let these chicken thighs smoke until they were 170, and they came out great. This was some of the best chicken that I ever made. My chicken was near 170, so I went ahead and heated up a skillet and added oil to it. Next, I went ahead and threw some garlic in there. I know y'all hear that sizzle. Now that garlic got a light brown on it, you want to go ahead and throw your vegetables in. I'm going to go ahead and season your vegetables too. The seasoning I'm using is not the one on the label. This is a seasoning that I made, and I honestly think it's better than the one that's on the label. I know y'all see that chicken. Go ahead and pull it off while your vegetables are cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and slice the chicken up. Once your chicken is sliced up, go ahead and add it to your pan of vegetables and give it a mix. For a little zestiness, go ahead and add some lime juice in that guy. And voila, final product. These was easily a 10 out of 10. Would do it again. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and follow me for more.